Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating story behind a device most of us use daily, the microwave oven. It's quick, it's convenient, but have you ever wondered how this revolutionary cooking device came to be? The story begins not in a kitchen, but in the realm of wartime research. It's a tale of accidental discovery and innovative engineering, leading to the transformation of our culinary landscape. Our story takes us back to the 1940s, during the turmoil of World War II. Scientists and engineers were hard at work, developing new technologies, particularly in the field of radar. Little did they know that their work would inadvertently lead to a culinary revolution. Radar technology, crucial for detecting enemy aircraft, relied on a new type of electromagnetic wave microwaves. These waves, capable of traveling at the speed of light, could be transmitted and their reflections analyzed to determine the location and distance of objects. It was amidst this research that the heating potential of microwaves was first observed. Percy Spencer, an American engineer at Raytheon, was a leading figure in radar technology development. In 1945, while working with a magnetron, a device that generates microwaves, Spencer noticed something peculiar. As Percy worked with the magnetron, he felt a warm, unusual sensation in his pocket. When he reached in, he found that the chocolate bar he had been carrying had completely melted. This odd occurrence sparked an idea in Spencer's mind. He wondered if the powerful microwaves produced by the magnetron could be used to heat food. Excited by this discovery, Percy started experimenting. He placed popcorn kernels near the magnetron, and to his amazement, they began to pop. Next, he tried an egg, which ended up exploding, much to the surprise of his colleagues. Spencer realized that the microwaves emitted by the magnetron were responsible for the rapid heating. This accidental discovery sparked the idea of using microwave energy for cooking. So why is it called a microwave? The name comes from the type of electromagnetic waves used in cooking microwaves, which are shorter than radio waves but longer than infrared waves. These microwaves penetrate food to heat it from the inside out. This technology is what makes the microwave oven such a unique cooking appliance. Raytheon, recognizing the potential of Spencer's discovery, filed a patent for a microwave cooking device. In 1947, they introduced the radar range, the world's first commercial microwave oven. This behemoth of a machine, standing nearly 6 feet tall and weighing over 700 pounds, used water cooling and cost a hefty $5,000 in today's currency. Unsurprisingly, the radar range was initially marketed to restaurants, hotels, and other commercial kitchens. Its size, cost, and unfamiliar technology made it impractical for home use. However, the seeds of a kitchen revolution had been sown. The concept of cooking food quickly using invisible waves had captured the imagination of many. Over the next few decades, microwave technology underwent significant advancements. Inventors like Dr. John H. Ridgway helped design smaller, more efficient versions throughout the 1960s. By the 1970s, advancements in technology made it possible to produce smaller, more affordable microwave ovens. And as prices dropped, households across America and eventually the world embraced the microwave for its convenience and speed. By the end of the 1970s, countertop models suitable for home use were widely available. The convenience of microwave ovens, their ability to reheat food in minutes, and their suitability for defrosting frozen items quickly made them popular. What was once a luxury item soon became a kitchen necessity. To make microwaves safer, especially for home use, manufacturers added a crucial safety feature, a black perforated screen on the microwave door. This screen is made of metal mesh and is designed to block microwaves from escaping while still allowing us to see inside. The holes are small enough to contain the microwaves but let visible light through so we can watch our food cook without any radiation risk. The microwave had revolutionized cooking habits, offering a level of speed and ease previously unimaginable. Today, the microwave oven is ubiquitous, found in homes, offices and restaurants worldwide. Its impact on our culinary habits is undeniable. It has made cooking faster, more convenient and accessible to people of all skill levels. The future of microwave technology looks promising. Researchers are constantly working on improving its efficiency, versatility and safety. Smart ovens with advanced features such as voice control and automated cooking programs are becoming increasingly common. As technology continues to evolve, the humble microwave oven is poised to remain a cornerstone of our kitchens for years to come. So next time you're reheating leftovers or popping popcorn, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating history behind this appliance. The microwave's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and our endless quest for convenient solutions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more stories about the inventions that changed our lives.